Behold the future of mobility, where elegance meets innovation. Its smart systems and sustainable power redefine driving.
Imagine ordering an Uber. But when the car arrives, there's no driver inside. No steering wheel movement. No one in the front seat. Just a silent electric vehicle, driving itself. This might sound like science fiction, but it's becoming reality. Global tech companies are racing toward one goal: Robotaxis. And now 3 major players have teamed up to change transportation forever: Nissan, Uber, and Wayve. Together they're developing one of the most advanced autonomous taxi systems in the world. And the testing ground? Japan. Japan is quickly becoming the global hub for autonomous vehicles. Why? Because the country faces a serious problem: aging population, and fewer drivers every year. Cities still need transportation, but there simply aren't enough people to drive taxis anymore. That's where Robotaxis come in. Self-driving cars that can operate 24 hours a day, without needing a human driver. The collaboration between Nissan, Uber, and Wayve could change everything. Let's break it down. First, Nissan, one of the world's biggest automotive manufacturers. They bring the vehicle platform and electric vehicle technology. Next, Uber, the largest ride-sharing network on the planet. They provide the global ride-hailing platform that connects riders and vehicles. And finally, Wayve, a cutting-edge artificial intelligence company focused on autonomous driving. Their AI system doesn't rely only on maps. Instead, it learns to drive using deep learning and real-world data. Think of it like teaching a car to drive, the way humans learn. By observing the road, understanding traffic, and reacting instantly. This AI technology allows vehicles to adapt to complex situations: pedestrians, cyclists, unexpected traffic, and crowded urban environments. That's why experts believe Wayve's technology could be a major breakthrough. So what will these Robotaxis actually look like? Most likely, electric SUVs equipped with cameras, sensors, and powerful onboard computers. They'll constantly scan the road, analyzing everything happening around them. Then the AI decides how the vehicle should respond: turn, stop, accelerate, or avoid danger, all in milliseconds. And when this system connects to Uber's network, you'll simply open the Uber app, request a ride, and a driverless car arrives. No tipping, no small talk, just transportation. For cities, the benefits could be massive: less traffic, lower emissions, safer roads, and transportation available 24 hours a day. But not everyone is convinced. Some critics worry about safety. Others worry about job losses for drivers. And governments still need to approve regulations for autonomous vehicles. So the big question is, when will Robotaxis become normal? Experts believe the first large-scale deployments could happen within the next few years. And Japan might be the first place where millions of people ride in driverless taxis every day. If this project succeeds, it won't just change Uber. It will change the entire transportation industry. Because the future of mobility might not involve drivers at all. Just smart AI vehicles moving people around cities. The age of Robotaxis is closer than you think.